I like to tell a joke. I guess the joke's all right. What do a orange got in common with a house electrical outlet? Oh no, no. What they do? They both have a lot of juice. That's what they have. And I would like to thank the lovely people that comes and bring us coffee every day of the show. I also like to thank Philly Cam's technical crew and the workers that work along with them. Remember, friends, food, and family, and fame. But before I leave, I gotta get down with my dance. Okay, here we go. We're getting down, down, down. 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 How you like my style? Look at me get down. I bet you can't dance like this. Okay. I'll thank you all, and bye-bye, and we hope you see the Chef Trap Adventure Series. We sure like to see you in the place. Bye.